Hi, this is Introduction to Algebra and we're going to be looking at collecting like terms. First of all, what is a term? Well, a term is a collection of numbers and or letters that are separated by a symbol. That symbol could be an addition symbol, an equal symbol, a greater than symbol, it doesn't matter, just a symbol. Let's look at some examples. So my first expression is 3c plus b. I've got two terms there, 3c and b. My second example is 5 subtract 2a plus b. I've got three terms and they are 5, negative 2a, minus 2a and b. Now in algebra you must look at the symbol that comes in front of a term to help you see whether it is positive or negative. This 2a you can see is negative because it's got that negative symbol in front of it. b is positive b. The 5 doesn't have a symbol at all, which means it's positive. Our bottom example is x squared is greater than y squared. This has got two terms. What is a like term? Because this video is about collecting like terms. Well, like terms are terms that are like other ones in the same expression or equation. But what does that mean? Numbers by themselves are like terms. The same letters without any different letters are like terms, even if the numbers are different, and the same letters squared are also like terms. Let's look at some examples because I think that makes it easier to understand. So in this first expression, I've got 3c plus b plus 2c. There are three terms there, but two of them have got c in them. Even though they've got different numbers, they are like terms. 3c and 2c are like terms. In my second example, again, I've got three terms. Two of them are numbers without any letters. So 5 and 4 are like terms. In my last example, I've got y plus y squared. Well, they've both got y in them, but one of them is y squared and the other one isn't. There are no like terms. Let's look at some more. This first one is 3cd plus c. Well, c is in both of those terms, but 3cd, there the c has also been multiplied by d. So these are not like terms. 6cd subtract 4cd, that's two like terms there. The numbers are different, but the letters are the same. So I've got 6cd and negative 4cd as my like terms. Again, don't forget that negative. In the bottom example, I've got x squared plus 4x cubed subtract 3x squared. All of them have got x's in them, but only two of those terms are x squared. So those ones are the like terms. I've got x squared there and negative 3x squared. They're my like terms. So what does collecting like terms mean and why do we do it? Well, collecting like terms is when we group like terms together in algebra to make an equation or an expression clearer to understand. Let's see what that means. So here again, I've got this example we've seen before, 3c plus b plus 2c. Well, two of those terms are like terms, the 3c and 2c, so I can add them together, 3c plus 2c. Now I've got 5c plus b. They both mean the same thing, but 5c plus b is clearer, it's easier to understand and to see what's going on. In the second example, I've got 5 subtract 2a plus 4. So I can group my like terms. 5 plus 4 is 9, subtract 2a. That's y plus y squared. Those aren't like terms, so there's nothing I can do there. Here I've got d plus 2d. Now if you see a letter by itself like that, it means one of them. So 1d plus 1d plus another 2d means altogether I have got 4d. Let's look at the second example. I've got 5e subtract 3e. That gives me 2e plus 4. And the bottom one, I've got y squared plus y squared, which means I've got 2y squared, and that's how we write it, 2y squared. And a few more to have a look at. Now in this first example, I've got 3e E, subtract 5G, subtract E, subtract 2G. Right, I'm going to deal with my E's first of all. I'm going to collect my E's together. I've got 3E, subtract E, which gives me 2E. Now I've got negative 5G, subtract 2G. So negative 5, subtract 2 would be negative 7. So I've got negative 7G. So this becomes 2E take away 7G. 2E subtract 7G. Okay, let's look at the next one. I've got 7M, and I'm going to deal with my M's first of all. Then I've got 7M, subtract 9M. 7 subtract 9 is negative 2M. And now if I look at my N's, I've got 4N, subtract 5N. Well, 4 subtract 5 is minus 1. Minus 1n. Actually, when we write that though, we're going to write minus 2m subtract n. We don't need to say 1n, we can just say n by itself. Look at the bottom one, I've got y cubed plus y squared. Okay, even though they've both got y, these aren't like terms, so I can't collect them. There's nothing I can do here. How can I get better at this then? Well, algebra is like any type of maths. The only way to get better is to practice, practice and practice some more until it feels like second nature.